라운드 ERE입니다. 지금 한 달 됐는데 생육이 굉장히 좋습니다. This round ERE winter greenhouse here in 춘천. This new breeding clone. It came from the R.ERE clone MH-30-6. I harvested June 17th at Kane University during hot summer greenhouse, and this is long dormancy. So normally ERE take only 2 months, but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is almost 4 months of dormancy, so more than 2 months more than regular ERE. So, but it seems very good top to the winter greenhouse now. As you see here, it's ice greenhouse. So this is a very promising clone.